If you're looking for the most affordable roofers, roofing cost and pricing, there are several things to take into consideration when looking for the best affordable roofer to hire for your roof repair or replacement. There is a major difference between fixing a roof that is leaking and installing a roof that is well designed and has no leaks. All roofs are subject to the wear and tear of intense sunlight, heavy rain or snow, and wind or hail damage. Our expert roofers can inspect and maintain your home or commercial property, ensuring the longevity and performance of your roof. Having your roof maintained regularly can help avoid costly repairs later. Some roofs can be fixed with an affordable roofer hourly rate. Most leaks can easily be fixed if handled as early as possible. Our roofers can guide you in doing ground inspections, so you can easily spot loose shingles or other problems before they cause major damage. For the cheapest affordable roofers' cost and pricing, ask questions about the materials the roofers in my area use.